two spheres of masses 100 kilogram and 900 kilogram of 900 kilogram of each radius 10 meters and 20 meters respectively. How much? 10 meters and
10 meters and 20 meters respectively.
Find gravitational force acting between them. Find gravitational force act between them. So what is this? Anybody? First draw the diagram. Option is just call them. Who is this geometer name? I will remove the meeting. So please. So what is this first? So read the question, Monish. So they are giving two spheres of masses how much? 100 kilogram and 900 kilogram.
900 kilogram.
Yes. Radius is equals to 10 meters. And another one is
20 meters.
20 meters. So find gravitational force acting between them. They are asking. So observe very carefully. So here there is no distance between them. They have given. Have you noticed it? So they have given two spheres. Yes or no? So they have given two spheres. One sphere is how much radius? R is equals
10 meters.
10 meters.
10.
Now let us take another sphere. There is no distance between them. Observe very carefully. So another sphere which is having a radius how much?
20 meter.
20 meter. That is what it is they have given. Now, what is the force of attraction, gravitational force acting between them? We have to find it. This is what they have given. Have you noticed it, guys? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yeah. So now,
Sir.
clear? So there is no distance between them they have given. They have given only radius. So now, what is the distance between their centers? You may notice it, you may understand. So what is the distance between their centers? If you'll see,
30 meters.
yes, the distance between their centers means we have to add the total, which is equals how much?
R plus R.
30 meters.
30 meters.
So the total distance R is equals to, let me imagine this is R1 and this is R2. So R1 plus R2, which is
R2.
equals to 10 plus 20, which is equals how much? 30 meters.
30.
Clear,
Yes.
everybody? Yes. Understand? So now, notice it. So now, as we know, they are asking gravitational force. So force is equals to, as we know, G into M1 into
M1
M2
into M2 divided by R square.
R square. This is what we people know. So now, which is equals to 6.7 into
0.7 in 10 power minus 11 into
100 kilogram into 900 kilogram
divided by 30 square.
T square. Clear? So please all of you solve this one. So now, observe very carefully. Simplification is most important. Simplification is most important. Tell them to join. The absentees and all, call them. Tell them to join. Darun and all, Pradosh. Today Sunday only, correct? Just to make them call. Once somebody call, Pradosh cannot call. So 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 into 100. Can I write as a 10 square, guys? 100 into
Sir.
900. How I can write? 9 into
9 into 10 square.
9 into 100 square. 100
divided
square.
by this one as 900 I can write.
900, sir.
900 also I can write as a what? You can get cancelled 900, 9 into 10. So now you can say 6.7 into 10 power
10
minus
power minus 9.
power 2 into 9 into 10 power 2 divided by 900. How I can write? 30 square means 900 only. Is it correct, Jayvarshini?
Yes, sir.
30
Yes, sir.
is equal. So
Sir,
can I write as it is
9 into 10 power 2.
10 power 2. So can I get cancel this fully? 9 into 10
Yes,
power
sir.
9 into 10 power.
Sir.
Yes. So which is remaining?
6.7 into 10 power minus 9.
4 into 10 power minus 11,
Sir,
10 power 12.
minus 9, sir.
Which is
6.7 in 10 power minus 9.
7 into 10 power
Minus 9.
minus 11
Newton
plus
meter
2.
square divided by kilogram square.
Minus 9. So, force unit is Newton only.
Newton, sir.
So,
Sir,
force
Newton.
only Newton. That is what you have to remember. But Monish, you are saying something. All the units will get cancelled. Only force in the sense of
Okay.
final answer. Final answer is equals to Newton. So, 6.7 into 10 power minus 9.
Newton.
Please write it. Very fast. Hey, who is this Geomezer array? He's not listening. I'm asking you to change the name. My turn completed. Laksha call to Manya and Samya.
Sir, completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Next question. Next question, right? Right? Shall we start with those? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Let me see who will learn. Right. The gravitational force acting between second question. The gravitational force acting between point objects. The gravitational force acting between point objects. Question number 2, Ra. The gravitational force acting between point objects M1 and M2. Both are same point objects. Are you noticed it? What I am saying? Point objects. Are you clear? That is what we should call it as point objects. Understand? Point objects means mass is also same. M1 and M2, which are separated by a distance, R is F. Which are separated by a distance R is equals to what, guys? R is F. Okay, so this is what we know also. F is equals to what is the formula? If I'll take 2 point objects M1 and M2. Tell me, yeah.
F is equal to G into
Two.
M1 into
G into M1 into
divided by
M2
F
divided by
square.
F square.
Clear?
F square.
Yes. Okay, very good. So now, what will be the force of gravitation? Question not at all, right? What will be the force of gravitation? What will be the force of gravitation? What will be the force of what, guys? Force of gravitation if first case Total 4 cases are there. Let me see one by one you have to solve. This is what you people need to be able to solve. This is what the present way of asking questions, right? Roman number 1. One mass is increased by 100%. How much? One mass is increased by how much? 100%. Okay. Elmukil, are you understanding, Maitreyan? First question.
Sir.
Second one. Each mass is
Yeah.
tripled. Each mass is tripled. Each mass is tripled. Now, third one. Each mass is tripled. Third one. Each mass is quadrupled and the distance between them is halved. Quadrupled and halved. Quadruple means what? 4 times. Are you clear what I'm saying? Everybody? Yes?
Sir.
Yeah. Quadruple. Each mass is quadrupled. Each mass is quadrupled and distance between them how much? And distance between them become halved. Alana, are you understanding? Between them halved. What do you mean by halved, Laksha? Jayvarshini?
Sir,
My-
become 1/2.
Halved. Halved means half. Okay, that is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, halved. Next, fourth one. The mass of each body is mass of each body is increased. Mass of each body is increased by 40%. How much? 40%. And distance between them, brothers. What is distance between them? Distance between them is decreased. Distance between them is decreased by 25%. How much? Distance between them is decreased by
25%.
25%. And distance between them decreased by 25%. So now this is what the four subdivision. So very simple if you will understand very carefully. If not, it is very difficult. But the present way of asking questions will be like this only. So everybody read the questions.
Sir, 1 second, scroll down, sir.
Yes. You can note down the questions and we will solve it. Everybody make it fast.
Yes, sir, finished, sir.
Minister. So now, what is the first subdivision? Can anybody read? What is the first subdivision? First question you read. So as we know, people already, everybody read.
The gravitational force acting between the point object M1 and M2
Objects M1 and M2, which are separated by a distance R, is F. That is what we know. So what will be the force of gravitation if one mass is increased by 100%? Yes or no? Okay. So that is what the first question. Jayvarshini and Alana, everybody observe. So now let us go
Yes,
with the
sir.
solution. So now you can observe the solution. So what is the first case? First, what they are saying in the question. So the force acting between the two bodies, M1 and M2. If you take M1 and M2, what is that force M1 and M2? The G into, we know that what? M1 into M2.
Divided by F square.
So this is what we know. So let us imagine this is the equation 1. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. Now what they are saying, what is the first condition? Please remember, all of you, what is the first condition? Read. Mass of one body is increased by
100%.
is increased by how much, guys?
100%.
100%. So now let me consider any body. Which body you want? Let consider M1 or M2. Let mass of M1 mass is increased by how much percentage, Ra?
100%.
Increased by 100%. Is it yes or no, Elmukil? Now, in mathematics, let me see. Last question, if you'll see 40%. 40% means mathematics, how we'll write, Maitreyan? Can you say 40 divided by 100? Is it yes or no, guys? That is what
Yes, sir.
it is. Yes or no? So now my marks is increased to 40% means 40 divided by 100 only people will write. My marks is increased by 50%. 50% means how will write? 50 by 100.
50 by 100.
Same way 100% increased means what you will write?
100
100
divided by 100.
Correct. Yes or no? Please respond. So
Yes,
now
sir.
Sir.
you have to speak, me not. That is now. Let already initial mass is how much, Elmukil? Initial mass is M1. Yes or no? Now
Yes, sir.
it is increased by how much? 100%.
100%. 100 divided by
Of
100.
M1. So now 100% of M1 means you can write M1 into 100 divided by 100 M1. Are you clear, guys? Everybody, Prados?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
equals to how much it will come? M1 will get cancelled. So what is the increased mass of M1? Increased mass of M1 is equals to how much, guys? Which is
2
equals to
M1.
2M, sir.
Are you understand, everybody?
M1.
So what is the force now? So force F is equals to new force is equals to, let me imagine this is F1. This is F1. Is it okay, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now F2 is equals to, what is the formula will come now? G into
G into 2M1.
2M1
2M1
into 2M1 into
divided-
M2 divided by R
by
square.
R square.
Understanding? Which is equals to, I can write as a 2 into G M1 M2 divided by R
Divided by
square. So as we know, you people should respond G M1 into M2 divided by R square, which is equals to what? F.
Four.
Two.
What is the new force?
F1.
New force is equals to how many times it is increases? It is increased
times.
2 times. Are you clear? Everybody, Jayavashri, Alana? Yes, sir. That is. So like this, you have to solve this one. This geometer, who is this? Right? Is it ours or out of? I will remove them from meeting. They are not renaming. Please solve it. I understand now. I assumed let M1 mass is increased by 100%. If you want, you can assume as what? You can assume as a M2 also. Understand? That is also you can solve. So same first question, you can assume R solution you can take R. Let M2 mass is increased by how much? Ra? Increased by 100%.
100%.
So that what will happen? New M2 is equals to M2 plus
M2 plus 100 M2.
object is final mass of M2, final mass. What is that? Ra? So final mass of M2, which is equals to what? M2 plus 100% of M2, which is equals to M2 plus
M2 plus 100 divided 100 M2.
divided by, which is equals to M2, which is equals to M2 plus 100 will
Plus
get,
M2.
which is equals to what, guys?
2M2.
Understand? That's all.
Yes, sir.
So now you can substitute it. And what is the equation we know? So F is equals to, we know the equation. So F2 is equals to G into M1 into 2M2
2M2 divided by R square.
divided by R square. So this is how I can write 2 into
2
G
G
M1
into
M2 divided by R square, which equals to what will come, guys? So as we know, F2 is equals to 2 into this full term is equals to what, Laksha? This full term is equals
Sir,
to
M1.
F1.
F1.
F1. So force F2 is equals to 2F1. That's all. Clear, guys? Both the cases same.
Sir.
Any doubt, Elmukil? Darun is not there. Sai, Maitreyan.
Sir,
Yes, Elmukil.
No doubt, sir.
sir, in question they give distance is F, no, sir.
No.
R is F.
Distance by R is F. Force I am saying. That is what you have to understand. The gravitational force acting between 2 point objects of M1, M2, which are separated by a distance R is F. Understand, Elmokil?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, are you clear? That is.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. Read the question carefully. So now they are saying first one mass is increased by 100. You can take, so we have two possibilities now, either M1 or M2. So we are taking both and we are solving. That is what you have to remember. Are you clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now go for the second case. What is the second case? Each mass
is tripled.
What do you mean by tripled, guys? Tripled.
3 times.
3 times. Yes or no? So now Roman number 2. Now, as we know, initial case, let understanding M1 mass of the bodies. Masses is M1 and M2. Understand? So now distance between them how much? Distance between their centers is equals to how much? R. Yes or no? So this is M1 and this is M2. Are you clear, guys? So now in this case, what is the force acting between them? Force acting between them is equals to capital G into capital M1 into M2 divided by R square. Clear? Please respond. Let me imagine this is equation 1. What is this? This is equation 1. Are you clear? Now, what is happening? Masses will become what? Masses become tripled. So that what will come? Final mass of the objects are, what will come now? Final mass
So
of the objects
3M1
are.
and 3M2,
Yes.
sir.
Final mass of objects, which is becoming what? So this M1 will become tripled, 3M1, and M2 will become what? 3M2. Understanding? Tripled. So mass of the objects, M1 will become 3M1
3M.
and M2 will become what? 3M2.
3M2.
Tripled. Understand, everybody? So now what is the new force? This is F1, initial force. Now F2 is equals to, what will come, guys? G into, in place of M1.
3M1 into 3M2
3M1
divided by R
into
square.
3M2 divided by R square. Yes, very good, my friend. So now force F2 is equals to 3 into 3, how much, guys? 9.
6 F1.
Ray, 6
9
and
F1. 9, sir.
Elmokil, you are committing these mistakes only. Be very careful. It is not addition, multiplication. So as we know, F2 is equals to 9. This full term is equals to what, Laksha? Jayavarsini, this full term is equals to what? Full term is equals to F1. So what is the new force, guys? The new force is equals to 9 F1. Understand? That is what it is. Clear, everybody? Solve this one. And first question also, diagram is missing. Diagram you have to draw. So what is the diagram we can draw? So now this is body, two bodies. So the distance between them is R. This body is M1 and this body is M2. So now we are assuming as what? Let M1 mass is increased by 100%. So that new mass is equals to what will become, Ra? 2M1. Okay. In this case. Understand, Ra? Yes.
Sir, they told mass is triple. That means M1 cube.
Cube tripled means 3 times increases, not multiplied. Understand, my friend? Multiplied, it is not powers. Tripled. While I am teaching you also, I have shown you one box. Have you remembered? Tripled. Tripled means 3 times increases. You have 1 rupee, my friend. Now it's become tripled. Tripled means how many times it is increases?
3 times.
3 times means how much? 3 rupees are 1 per 1 cube, 1 rupee only. Suppose you can see, you have 1 rupee. Now it's become tripled in the sense of into 3 or power 3, guys. Power 3 means again you will get only 1 rupee. Correct?
Into 3.
Understand? It's become tripled in the sense of multiplied, not power. Understand, my friend?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Be careful with that. Clear, guys?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Second one, have you solved it? Now, third one and fourth one is like a testing for us. What is the third one? Third one you can see. Each mass is quadrupled and the distance between them is what? Distance between them is halved. Others also speak involved in class. It is good. Simply, I only speaking means what is the use? That is what. So each mass is quadrupled. Quadrupled means what? 4 times it is increases. Quad means 4 times it is increases. And the distance between them is what? Distance between them is what happened? Halved. What do you mean by halved? Halved means
Become
what?
half.
Became half.
1 by
So
2.
now, yes. First, let us take first case. So now, first case we can take. What is the first case? General case. So if we take general case, what is the force acting between them? So let us consider again case number 3. So now you can consider. So let us consider mass is m1 and another mass is what? M2. Understand? So now distance between them is r. So this mass is m1 and this mass is m2. So now what is the force acting between them, Manish? Jayavarshini? So the force acting between them F1 is equals to, tell me, masses.
Capital G into
G
M1 into M2 divided by R
Capital
square.
G into M1 into M2 divided by R square. So let us imagine this is equation 1. Clear, guys? Now, what is the question they have given? Masses become 4 times. So
Quadruple.
4m1 and
4m2.
4m2. And the distance become what? R
Halved.
become R by 2. Understand? Halved. R by 2. Understand? That is what. Very good, my friend. So R become R by 2. This is what the new case. So now in this case, we have to proceed like this. So how to proceed? Everybody should say. So new force F2 is equals to G into M1 is equals to what? 4m1 into 4m2. Devachini, are you following?
Divided by R.
R become R by 2 whole square. So now, Alana, you also, Laksha also, you have to solve. Now F2 is equals to G into 4 4s are how much, guys? 16 M1 M2 divided by R square divided by
R square
4.
divided by 4.
Understand? Because this will become R square divided by 2 square. So which is equals to R square divided by 4. Is it okay, guys? Now 4
sir.
is division is again having division. So it will become what? It will go up.
Multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication. So 16 into 4 into G M1 M2 divided by R square. So 64 is how much?
64, sir.
64 G into
M1 into
M1 into M2 divided by R square. So now as we know, this full term is equals to what? This full term is equal to
F1.
F1. Very good. So the new force is equals to 64 times. Laksha, are you understand, Laksha, this one? Next question little bit more difficult. If you will not understand this one, you cannot solve fourth question. Now fourth question, are you feeling the complexity? It is little difficult. You may see it. Yes, that is. So please make it. Any doubt, anybody you can ask. Third one, any doubt? So new distance is equals to, what is the diagram we have to draw? New distance is equals to R by 2 is the diagram. Mass is equals to 4m1 and this mass is equals to 4m2. Clear, guys? Sai, are you there in meeting? That is. So please write it, everyone. Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Alana, you understand, Alana? Mahalakshmi? Manya and Samaya? Completed, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now last question. Last question little bit complicated. If you are not understanding, so once again I'm saying, brothers, nowadays all the questions will come in the form of like this only. So they will never give you perfect values. All like this only, increased, decreased, and all. So what is the fourth subdivision? So that is why I selected this question. So fourth subdivision, you can check it, guys. Mass of each body is increased by how much, guys? Mass of each body is increased by 40%, and the distance between them is decreased by how much, guys? 25%. Clear? So shall we proceed now? It is very difficult. If slowly we'll solve. It is not. If you'll understand the question, very easy. So now initial mass. Let initial mass is M1 and M2. What is the new mass, Elmokil? M1 plus
40
new
by
mass is
100
what?
M1.
40% it is increased. So 40% of
40 by
M1.
100.
Yes or no? 40% of M1. Correct? Suppose you have 100 rupees. Now 40% it is increased. How much it is your total money? 140 rupees. Yes or no? 100 plus 40% of 100 means how much it will come? 40 by 100. Yes or no, guys?
40 rupees increase. sir.
Yeah, 40% increase it means 40 rupees increased. So that you will get total rupees will become 140. Yes or no? So now let us consider, let masses will be, what is that masses? Masses will be M1 and M2 and the distance between them is R1. Understanding? Distance is R1. So what is that? Initial case. Initial case, Jayvarshini, what is happening? Girls, you should speak. So distance between their centers is R. Understand? R1. Let me take M1 and M2. Are you clear, guys? So let me take distance
sir.
R only, not R1. Okay. So now you can take this one. So if you assume what is the force acting between these bodies? Maunesh, Maitreya. So what is the force acting between them? So force F1 is equals to
F1 is equal to
capital
capital
G
G
into
into
M1 into M2
divided by R square.
divided